Toronto, a world of diversity and home to Canada's top restaurants and hotels. At George Brown College, learners become leaders in one of the most exciting hospitality and culinary landscapes in the country. Make it happen. With access to state-of-the-art facilities, your potential is used to master the latest technology in our specialty cooking, baking, bar, and wine labs. Share your space. Expert faculty offer dynamic education, preparing future change makers to influence current trends in the culture of food and business. The city is your classroom. Established professionals and mentors share career expertise and training from around the world, exchanging knowledge for experience and inspiration for creativity. Be your best self. Discover community in an environment that values expression and promotes individuality. Launch your legacy. Partner with sustainable initiatives that advocate for basic human needs and environmental protection. Invest in you. Be on the cutting edge of innovation and take pride in the opportunities you create from networking with our industry professionals in the field. George Brown College. Lead the way.